Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which rotary cheese graters to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. It's not easy to grate hard cheese by hand, but with the innovation of modern rotary cheese graters, grating hard cheese has become easier and faster. In this video, we hope to provide you with the best rotary cheese graters that are currently available in the market. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The rotary cheese graters that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The rotary cheese graters coming in at number 5 on our list is the Sabatier West Blade Handheld Manual Rotary Grater. Sabatier West Blade has a state-of-the-art microblade technology that helps it to perform excellently in grating hard cheese such as Parmesan. This cheese grater has a bidirectional grating barrel, so whether you prefer rotating the handle forward or backward, it still grates the cheese evenly. With its fine flake drum feature, you get to see the perfect paper-thin cheese flakes that would go well with your homemade pasta. Cheese graters do not only grate hard cheese like Parmesan, it can also grate chocolates, vegetables, and even coconut meat. A protective cover, combination food pusher, and a finger guard are included along with the grater. While testing the product, the team in the kitchen found its ergonomically designed handle to be quite comfortable. With its ultra-sharp 18x18 stainless steel etched blades, we were able to shred and flake ingredients with ease. In addition, its crank is geared for extra smooth action, which definitely speeds up the process of grating ingredients. We know that graters can be a bit tricky to clean by hand because of the cheese that can get stuck in some of the parts that are hard to reach. But no worries, because this cheese grater is dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. Our team recommended it to be placed on the top rack while using the dishwasher. Overall, the Sabatier West Blade Handheld Manual Rotary Grater is an entry-level grater that has an ergonomic design and dependable microblade technology that allows even and easy grating. For all its grating features, you would be surprised to know that it is one of the most affordable cheese graters in the market. That is why our team felt that this product is deserving to be at the number 5 on our list. The rotary cheese grater coming in at number 4 on our list is the ZYLISS Classic Rotary Cheese Grater. The ZYLISS Classic Rotary Cheese Grater is best known for tableside use. While simply squeezing the grater on one hand and rotating the handle on the other, you get to sprinkle and perfect the grated cheddar, Parmesan, or chocolate on your favorite dish without having to go back and forth to your countertop. For restaurant chefs or owners, this product is NSF certified. This means that it has been thoroughly tested for both durability and safety. The team in the kitchen is particularly impressed with its stainless steel drum that was able to grate hard cheese, chocolates, and even nuts. We also felt that its handle is especially comfortable and non-slippery when we were squeezing down Parmesan. In addition to this, it has a very convenient handle that can switch sides, so whether you're left-handed or right-handed, this grater will serve you well. Nothing would better define easy cleanup than this excellent kitchen tool that has removable parts and is even dishwasher safe. When not in use, the ZYLISS Classic, which has the size of approximately 6.5 by 3 by 5 inches, can be compactly stored in your cupboard or drawers. By the time of making this video, it has a 5-year limited warranty, so you could replace specific parts if it has factory defects. This grater boasts ingenious rotary technology that works to grate more cheese in less time. With this grater having that sleek ergonomic design, compact feature, and top-tier grating mechanism, you can finally turn a difficult grating job into an effortless task. This is also the reason why the ZYLISS Classic Rotary Cheese Grater has earned a spot on our list at number 4. The rotary cheese graters coming in at number 3 on our list is the Cambom Manual Rotary Cheese Grater. The Cambom cheese grater is perfectly designed for effortless countertop grating. If you're tired of your countertop cheese grater constantly moving out of place while you're grating, then this rotary cheese grater is exactly what you need. Its round drum slicer blades are made of stainless steel material, while its handle and other parts are made of durable BPA-free plastic. Having dimensions of 11.02 by 6.3 by 5.12 inches, it does not take up much space on your kitchen counter. This cheese grater has 3 slicing and shredding barrels. The coarse barrel and slicing barrel are made for soft cheese and vegetables, while the fine shredding barrel is perfect for hard parmesan, walnuts and potatoes. From all the cheese graters we have tried so far in the kitchen, the Cambom grater is by far one of the easiest to use. It has a very convenient design that makes it easy to hold the cheese, chocolate, nuts and potatoes in place while grating. There is no need to exert too much strength in rotating the handle because its razor-sharp drum slicer blades can easily deal with any hard cheese, nuts and vegetables. In addition to this, it has made to be extra safe because your hands are kept at a very safe distance from the blades while it is in use. The team also found that it is more efficient in shredding and slicing. With its slicing barrel, you only need to crank one cycle with a handle and it produces 12 cuts when compared to traditional slicing. By the time of making this video, this product supports a 90 days return policy. In case of any defect or broken parts, simply take a photo of it as proof and the manufacturer will replace it for free. Overall, the Cambom manual rotary cheese grater offers perfect shredding and slicing results while saving a significant amount of time. Noticing all these features, we just had to place this versatile grater on our top list at number 3. The rotary cheese graters coming in at number 2 on our list is the Ourokhome manual rotary cheese grater. The Ourokhome manual rotary cheese grater is designed to do most of the work for you and could shred a variety of ingredients, offer you a fatigue-free experience. This grater has a multifunction mandolin slicer that does not only shred hard cheese like parmesan, but also vegetables, potatoes, nuts, chocolate, hash browns, salad, pizza toppings, and many more. Having a 360-degree blade cut, it can cut food every time you crank the handle. Not only does it cut efficiently, but also with little to no effort at all. Just like the Cambom cheese grater, this kitchen tool has 3 drum blades that will suit different shredding and slicing needs. The team in the kitchen recommends its sleek design that keeps your hand away from the blades. With its food pusher, it became easy for us to hold down ingredients on one hand while we were cranking the handle on the other. No more worrying about the grater slipping on the countertop while shredding because the Ourokhome cheese grater has a strong suction on its base that firmly and securely places the grater on your smooth countertop. In order to maintain its premium functions, we recommend that it should be hand washed under running water. You can use its cleaning brush, but you must avoid soaking and boiling the grater. The Ourokhome manual rotary cheese grater boasts not only its quality, but also design. You can choose from 5 different colors, which are red, green, blue, clear and white or red combinations. All in all, the Ourokhome manual rotary cheese grater has incredible features such as cutting, shredding and slicing ingredients efficiently without having to use much strength and with no complicated steps to learn. And to top it all, it's easy to clean and only takes up a little cupboard or bench space when not in use. The rotary cheese grater has rightfully earned the 2nd spot on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 rotary cheese grater on our list, the Geedel rotary cheese grater. This grater is designed for high efficiency cutting, safe operation and effortless grating. It has 3 interchangeable blades for cutting, slicing and shredding different ingredients. In addition to this, it is made to be 100% safe because of its food-grade BPA-free material, just like the Ourokhome rotary grater. This cheese grater has 360 degrees surround edge cutting and a bionic suction base. When testing this grater, the team in the kitchen found that it was efficient and precise when shredding different foods. We also loved its enlarged chute, which made it easy for us to place larger chunks of cheese, cucumber, carrots, nuts, radish, potatoes and chocolates. Its suction base, as expected, firmly kept the grater from slipping or moving while we were using it. The team also made a special note on its rotating drum design that efficiently made cutting the ingredients 12 times faster than other traditional cheese shredders. It is easy to clean, especially since it is dishwasher safe, but can also be cleaned under running water. This rotary cheese grater is convenient to store because of its detachable handle. There is also no need to worry about the handle falling off because it is extremely sturdy once properly snapped into place. By the time of making this video, the product has a 1-month free trial and a 1-year warranty. It also offers 24 hours customer service and lifetime technical support. Boasting highly efficient cutting technology, safe use, easy cleanup and effortless grating, the Geedel rotary cheese grater has taken our list by storm, earning the number 1 spot on our best rotary cheese graters in the market list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 rotary cheese graters which got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next rotary cheese graters roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.